Gotta find some place to do this. Whoops, do this where I have a clock behind me. Because I don't know how to do a timer in iMovie. Although I'm sure there's a way. I'm an idiot. I just realized I've got one of these. Yes. Okay, that's a pretty good system, actually. What I'm going to do is go to the official cube scrambling website. Yes, there is such a thing. I'm going to do 5 algorithms of 25 moves each, I think, and then I get a few seconds basically look at it before I start. The official time will be kept on an internet stopwatch, because that's what I have practice with, but this will be up here. I'll give you a go and a stop, and then you can do the math with this, just to prove that I'm not cheating. Or rather, you can see that this is ticking. That will show you that I'm not cheating. The official time will be kept on screen, and you unfortunately won't get to see it. You'll just get to see the results. Yes, maybe. The WCA official cube scrambler. Yeah. So...
yes, my cube matches the picture. Let's see. Getting the stopwatch. Get this one going too. Oh wait, I gotta look at it first. Okay. And ready, set, go. And ready, set, go. And 58.5 seconds. Or at least, 59. Okay. We'll do the second scramble. And my cube, excuse me, my cube matches theirs. Okay. Ready, set, go. Wait. Done. 54 seconds. Okay. Let's see, I'm going to write this down somewhere. It was 59, 54. Okay. Doing the third one. And it's a match. Okay. And ready, set, go. Okay, 56. Oops. What was it? 59, 54, 56. Do the fourth one. Tis a match. Okay. And ready, set, go. Three. Now for the last one. And it's a match. Okay. And ready, set, go. 54. Alright, so that's that. I'll do the math. It'll be on screen probably when I edit this. Thanks for watching. Sorry that you took the time out of your valuable day to do so, but there's proof. Under a minute. Actually, that's my best average of 5 yet.